Hey guys, I got this infinity headlight. I'm going to show you how to fix a broken tab. So this is the tab. The vehicle got in a wreck and the tab broke off. So it originally goes like this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to glue this back on with super glue. And I'm just going to be using this Gorilla super glue. Okay, now you're gonna have to make sure that you have a way to make it stay like this with some pressure so it'll glue in the right place. And sometimes I have clamps. If I don't have clamps, I'll just put some weight on it. Okay, so we'll let this sit here for a bit until it dries, and then we're going to reinforce it. Okay, so after we have it super glued, we're going to get some JB Weld for plastic and liberally apply it around the crack. Stuff's plastic weld. I will link it in the description. Okay, so when you're done, I have it all the way around there. This is to just reinforce it because this will hold a lot better than the amount of super glue that I put on. So this should hold it permanently, and this is the stuff I use, plastic weld quick setting epoxy. So we're going to leave it on here for 24 to 48 hours, and then it should be ready to install. This is what it looks like after it dries. It's very hard. It's not really going anywhere. It doesn't look the best, but you can sand it down if you want, make it look a little better. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty easy to do. It costs less than $5 to do, so definitely beats buying one of these for another 800 bucks. That's how you do it.